Hi guys, welcome back to Moneytize. It's time to record the new video today, and today's video is on the technical analysis of Shiba Inu. As you all know, Shiba Inu started just in 2020, and in a very short span of time, it gained immense popularity. Interestingly, this coin was started to poke fun on Dogecoin, but due to its popularity, we have many speculators and investors in the crypto market who are interested to know the technicals of this coin. They want to know the levels where we should get into it, where we should buy, and when we should exit. So, is it the right time to buy Shiba Inu? Let's check in today's technical analysis. Time to hit the charts now. Let's begin the technical analysis of Shiba Inu, and this is Shiba versus USD. As usual, we will start from the monthly time frame. Okay, now this one is relatively a very new coin in the market, so we do not have much data on the monthly time frame. It's better to go to weekly. On the weekly, let's switch to line chart to get our zone of support and resistance. This is the first zone, and this could be probably the second one. Okay, taking to daily now. On the daily, it's better if we move this one somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, so what has happened? Changing to candles again. So this was a massive push to the upside, and now it's in the pullback phase. Most likely, the pullback should come and end somewhere in between this zone. And what we need to mark our trend line, and this trend line is most likely this one. Yeah. So if we talk about the numbers, the zone of support which I'm looking for is somewhere between 2200 to 3000. It's a wide range because we are on the weekly right now. So see, we should have two conditions right now for buying. Number one, if you are looking to buy from the current levels, let it break above the falling trend line. Make this area of 3000 or 3100 as support with a valid retest, and then it can fly off. Condition number one, but the probability seems to be very low for this one. And we do not have any bullish scenario on the RSI or MACD right now. So basically what we need a break of resistance, which is this falling trend line, or a higher high formation. The higher high formation from the current levels is pretty high. The high to be formed is somewhere here, which is around 39 4000 area. Pretty far away, quite distant, and neither it has broken above the falling trend line. The second scenario, what we need to buy is a bullish divergence. We do not see any bullish divergence being completed right now. Let's switch to 4 hours. What's going on the 4 hourly time frame? On the 4 hourly time frame, we have a double bottom scenario. So, double bottom one, and this is the second bottom. So first of all, we need a break above this line, this point. This is around 3185. Number one, condition number one. Number two, it should break above the falling trend line. What I see, most likely it will have a temporary push up towards the falling trend line, and this high, then turn lower and make a new low. If I get on the daily, it will complete the low formation around this area, which is 2200 or maybe around of 2000, and then you can start buying with a bullish confirmation on the lower time frame. The bullish confirmation will be a clear bullish divergence or the break of this trend line or the midpoint during that time. So what I'm talking, there are too many conditions. Let me explain. It should fall below, move up, and make a new low on the price chart. At the same time, it should have a bullish divergence on the RSI or MACD, and then a break above this midpoint, whatever the new midpoint will be created during that time. And in the meanwhile, it will have a new trend line extension towards this area. It's already there, I've already extended, and it will break the trend line. I have one more tool to check my analysis to validate it. Give me a sec, I'll explain you. What I'll do, I'll take this volume tool, take it from the lowest point and drag it towards the highest one. See, this is the highest volume area, which is again the maximum numbers of orders were accumulated in between 2000 to 3000 area. So let the market clean all these orders. Cleaning means let it retest, let it take out all these investors, the retail investors, then create a new high, and then it will be good to buy, which is around 2000 to 2200 area. So the zone which I'm looking for is around 2000 to 2200 area to attack aggressively. To attack conservatively, I will wait for it to break above this falling trend line. All right, guys, I hope I've explained it well. I hope today's video was informative and you guys got some clarity on the levels to buy Shiba coin. If you want to learn the technical analysis, do check my trading courses on my website www.monetize.in. The link is given below in the description. Guys, show your support, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like icon. Thank you and bye bye.